We're going to church after. Yeah. Today is the best, one of the best Mondays ever. Mondays when you don't have to work is one of the best Mondays ever. Yeah. I'm serious.
It's working. Shopping is working.
It's not working. It's retail therapy.
Yeah. For the men, it's working. Shopping.
Oh yeah.
You guys don't like to actually go in store to shop.
I know. I go shopping. I buy. I see and I buy. That's it. Finish and come out.
Yeah, but
you guys keep going round,
going round.
And round. And the worst thing is, you see something, you walk round, and then you buy it. Why not buy it straight?
Also because we want the best possible price.
Yeah.
I already fixed the cushion covers. It's sort of big for the throws that I have, but I'll probably get I'll get something to fill it up and then get that done. Next thing I'm going to do is to fix this pendant and the bulb. The bulb that came with this house is very boring. I'm going to show it in a bit. So I got these ones. I saw there was a long pole that I could use, like a long rope that I could use to hang it up, and I think it looks cuter with that, but I couldn't get it because I wasn't sure if I'll be able to fix it. But I'm going to be trying on this. I have something similar like this in my own room. I just started to get something else for the living room and see how that goes. And then I would set up the other things that I got from Ikea. I might not be able to show how I'll style them, but maybe later once everything comes up together, when the whole house is done, I can show how I styled what I got. So let's do this now. You think it should be here? This one.
live a life of sin, they look like that. They are not honorable. That will not be you in the name of Jesus. Is that what
Several days later.